Oh, we have some official wallpapers for the new Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. This is another type of leak, I guess, where it's like the product's not out yet, but we're going to keep getting you hyped for it by not just telling you we're launching the thing and giving you certain specs, but now we're going to give you the wallpapers as well.
Yeah.
And you're going to get a sense for the whole aesthetic of the thing. Is they're sticking with the food theme and the sweet theme here, because with the Android flavors of the past, you have here Thirst Quencher, which looks like I'm gonna go ahead and say that that's a glass of lemonade.
Sure,
I'm gonna go ahead and say that, and then you have Watermelon Falls, which watermelon's probably my favorite fruit flavor. As far as like taking a bite out of a fruit. Maybe I shouldn't say fruit flavor in general, because I guess there's a lot to that.
What do you mean?
Well, you start thinking about fruit, how many things are fruit flavored that aren't the actual fruit.
Oh, okay.
Like fruit drinks and.
But what's your fruit though?
No, if I'm gonna take a bite of a fruit, I'm gonna take a bite of a watermelon.
Okay.
I've done this recently.
Do you add any accoutrements?
I'll tell you something that's been happening in my house in the fridge. There's been the watermelon cut into the cubes. And you would just reach and you would just take a cube of watermelon.
Okay.
You would just eat that.
Seedless.
Isn't everything seedless now? I don't know. Maybe you bump into a seed here and there. But the key factor here is the refreshment. You might not even need to reach for some water when you got the watermelon nearby.
Yeah.
Just like a cube of refreshment.
Yeah.
But I like all fruits, man. I really don't want to do this, what you're forcing me to do right now. Because I don't want to leave. And it's going to depend on the time of year as well. Like, obviously, there's no watermelon in the winter. No one's goofing with watermelon. It's very specific with watermelon, too. The difference, it's a wide gap between a good watermelon and bad watermelon in the sense, like, a bad watermelon, I don't even want to go near it. Apples are consistent. You're always getting a good apple.
Yeah.
With a watermelon, you have one watermelon is over here and you have one that's down here. This one I'm skipping. This one.
Well, there's levels to everything.
No, but I'm saying there's the gap, the peaks and valleys on watermelon is far more significant than, say, apples or bananas.
Right.
Or even pears for that matter. You're getting consistent textures and flavors over there.
Do you add salt?
You talking about salted watermelon? And then you're casually nodding like that? Like this is a thing that everybody's doing?
Yeah, people do that.
Well, maybe people do. But
or let me one-up you. There's a mustard.
Okay, can we stop? Can we not do that?
All right.
People put mustard on watermelon?
Yeah, it's a thing now. It's a trend now.
You putting your foot down or what?
Yeah.
So did you do it?
I tried it, yeah.
You just squirt some watermelon or some mustard on the watermelon?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
I didn't like it.
Okay, good.
But apparently a lot of people do.
Yeah, maybe it's an acquired thing. You know what? I'm not trying to put down anything.
Okay. Well, give it a try.
It's a weird thing with the flavors. Like anyway, other wallpapers include fruits. That's the simplest one. And then cherry cone. And one thing you notice about them, they all have worked in the camera hole punch thing.
Yeah.
They found a way to work it in, which people love that. That gets people real just fired up.
There's more.
We got more. These are wow.
Like the creator type? Or?
I really like Match Point with the foot in the foreground and then the racket with the weird aspect. This is some nice artwork. This is some cool artwork.
Yeah, with the integration of the camera.
And I guess people could start using these right now if they had a phone. I mean, you don't even necessarily need a phone with the hole punch on it.
This one's cool.
Cloud surfing. Very cool. Is that your favorite one?
Do you like? It might be.
I kind of like.
Maybe this one?
Yeah, I was going to say, I kind of like Deep Sea. Yeah.
Nice tones.
All right. Well.
Very friendly.
Get me pumped up for this Pixel stuff.
Oh.